everyone, this is Sandy. Today I'm going to introduce you one drive one flat mask machine with two double yellow welding system. Let's take a look at our finished mask sample. You can see here has the characters. You can customize your own logo on here. And the nose bridge part is adjustable according to your needs. And the ear loop. And let's see the welding spot. It's very friendly for daily use. From the hole, it's very close to your face. First, let's take a look at our machine appearance from the whole structure. And I will introduce one by one, start from the fitting area part. And this part, we put 3 layers fabric here, and you also can add up 4 layers here. And this is the nose bridge rack. I will introduce later. Here is the pre-folding preparation. It will be like this, fold in 3 lines like this. And after this, move to here, it's already folded. So this is the second time of the folding part. After, and you will move here, you press the folded lines, transfer to max. And here is the nose bridge. This nose bridge will go through here, and this is the nose bridge cutter. After this, the nose bridge will come here, then it will insert in the fabric. So this whole part is the nose bridge part. In this part, this is the mask mode. If you want to do your own logo, you have to change this mask mode. And this is the gap roller, and this is the mask cutter. You will cut the mask pieces by piece. And this is the ionotrol, is to eliminate the static electricity of the fabric. Since if you want to put 10 masks per piece, if you want to stack the mask with 10 pieces, with this device it can put laterally. So if you want to pack 10 pieces per pack, you have to use this device. And this is our transportation conveyor. It will deliver the mask to this area. And come to our ear loop welding system. The whole system, one system uses 6 pieces Shinji motor to drive. So total whole, it will be 12 pieces total. And let's take a look. These Shinji motors is to stretch the ear loop. And this ear loop clip is driven by these 2 Shinji servo motors. And it's the same for other side. And we can see each clip have a small cylinders. This cylinders, we are using a famous brand, is called AirTag. It's expensive than normal cylinders. So here we total use 4. Each clip have to use a small cylinders. Here will be 4. And this Shinji motors is to drive the 4 clips up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 servo motors here. And let's take a look our ear loop scissors. This is a wiring part. If you are going to use the machine, you have to prepare some replacement. And this is the same, just like that. But let's count and take a look too. And cylinders 2. And the other side. And this part is the welding shape. You can either change to dot, square, or other shapes. Now we are using the normal one, square. And here we can see the finished mask. And here is another motors. It's called speed motors. It's mainly to control this part. And this Shinji motors is to push down the finished mask. And this is the conveyor line. You also can select a packing machine together with the whole machine. It will be save more labor costs and keep a high efficiency production. And this is our touch screen. This is some buttons, and we will stick specific instruction of each button, either Chinese or English. I will show you our electric box. So here is our electric box. Let's count the servo motors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total 14 pieces of servo motors. And this is our cable. Each cable have a specific information sticker. You can easily see if you can easily find it if any part of the machine have problem. And here have an ultrasonic. This ultrasonic is to drive the mass board printing part. It weighs 20K 2,600 watts. And for the earlobe system, it uses 4 ultrasonics. And let's take a look closely. We can see you have 3. The other one is in another side. All the ultrasonic is with 20K 2,600 watts. This 4 ultrasonic is to drive the earlobe system. Each earlobe system drive by one by 2. And here is our pressure port. It's to install the air pressure. Since sometimes the air pressure of the factory is not stable, then you can use ours. So that's all.